Hi everyone, in this piano tutorial we're going to learn how to play the song Go Tell It on the Mountain. I'll go through it slowly so you can see exactly which fingers I'm using and what notes I'm playing. And don't forget, if you're looking for a comprehensive piano course that'll take you all the way from your very first steps at the piano through advanced techniques, along with lots of repertoire suggestions and exercises along the way, check out PetersonPianoAcademy.com. Let's go ahead and get started.